Good morning. So it is now Tuesday, 3/24, 2020, and I finished. I got two halves. I got two parts now. So I have the base right here, and right here I have the top frame. So to put that in perspective, can I flip this? No, it doesn't allow me to flip, but maybe, oh, I could do this. All right, so what we have here, is what I've done. So this part right here is the triangle base I was telling you about, and this is what we did yesterday. Is that frame? See that? And so yeah, so today I'm gonna attach it and attach it, and then we'll do the inflation test, and I'll show off the inflation test to you guys. It's not complete. We're probably at the point that I connect it. We're probably about 80%. After that, we have to make the rear blackout curtain and the projection curtain. It's gonna fasten in there. And I'm not sure if you can hear. I think I have one of my kids crying upstairs, probably getting teased by his brothers, or he's in trouble. So forgive the baby crying in the background. But today is a really bright day. It's a sunny day. Let's hope that that the rest of the day is gonna be good. I think we're having some problems within our government. We can't seem to sign a bill. In my humblest opinion, we need to be focusing on the here and now. Let's not put ourselves in a huge debt. And all these pet projects for the Republicans and the Democrats, wait until after this is over, please. Let's just take care of the people. Let's take care of the corporations and businesses. It would be nicer to hit the ground running versus a burning phoenix rising from the ash, if you know what I mean. But that aside, this is Superior Inflatables, and my name's Rich, and we are taking working from home extremely serious during this COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic outbreak. It's really important that everybody is following the guidelines by their local cities, states, and president. Let's just be safe. Better to be safe than sorry. And again, my humblest opinion. It really sucks that we just turtled our economy. But it's important because it's like people can't pretend like or act like life's over, because there is an after. There's the next part of the story, or the and we got to be prepared for that. So in order to do that, we got to stay positive. No matter how bleak it looks around you at this moment. And I know I have a smile on my face, but I mean, there's some negative things happening here too. It's a really trying time to be a business owner. It's a really trying time to be a father, to be a husband. All of the above. And so everybody stay positive. We can't let the fear. We can't be pulled and follow that. We can't follow the fear. That's not what this country was built on. We're resilient. We're Americans. We're resilient. We are a hodgepodge mixing pot from all around this great world. And all those great things culminate into being an American. And so let's practice the best parts of being an American, and the best parts of being a productive citizen. And yeah, so check it out. We're about to go into hyperspeed. I'm going to set up the camera. We're going to go into hyperspeed. We are going to connect these two pieces right here, and we're going to light it up in just a little bit. So stay tuned. Thank you. Oh boy! Woo! Check it out. I have one stitch left. The final stitch. The stitch the last stitch that connects the top frame to the base. And see, I have it prepped here. And it's my last stitch. And I don't know. It's going to take a long time. Look at all that vinyl. All from one guy. This guy did that. This guy, working from home, my own sewing team, and everybody at Superior Inflatables working from home, because we take this pandemic very serious, and we're still going to produce your orders, and at the same time we're still investigating, getting involved in making personal protective equipment for medical and industry and safety and things.
This is the sort of creativity to look at.
See what else comes about, but yeah, final stitch. Stay tuned. We're going to go back to hyperspeed. All right, check it out. This is more vinyl than this little sewing table is prepared to handle. Oh my gosh, you you can't really fully appreciate this, anybody. I promise. But this is nuts. And so I finished showing this about 45 minutes ago, and I've been like thinking, yeah, how am I? What's my best plan of action now? It's like overflowing over the table, and I'm gonna figure this out. I was gonna bust out the Samson roller, and I might still do that. I don't know, but I don't know if I have the space to use it. Anyways, what would you guys do? I'll figure it out. Just, man, right? That's a lot of mamma jamma vinyl right there. And but I'll figure it out. So stay tuned, and we're going back to hyperspace. Well, guess what? Did it. Thankfully, the help of my two sons, they were able to step on it and compress it so we could finish. Woo! I'm tired. So I don't know. We definitely have time to blow it up today. I don't know if I have the juice to blow it up. So I think maybe we'll save it for tomorrow's video. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see if I get a second wind here. But I just, again, wanted to thank you for taking the time to support Superior Inflatables. Thank you for being a part of us since 2003. And again, best wishes and health to everybody out there. Be kind. And I love you, America.